Hi, I'm Cyaneink, and this time I have Tiger Dew foil, which I would call like gilding or something. I have done gilding before, which like real stuff, but this is really cheap stuff from Tiger. And if you wonder why I do Tiger stuff so much, it's only cheap store around here, because like in Finland we don't have a dollar store, of course, because we don't use dollars. But so yeah, and here's the really thin sheet of the foil. I have somewhat like abstract watercolor painting I'm going to use as the candidate, because I was first thinking I would go over my bulletin journal, but I was worried this may not stick it well that. And I have a glue pen with it. Let's see how this goes. Nope, it's not open there. Maybe there. Okay, that's interesting. It has like nib is same as like marker head. How this should operate? Pumping. Oh, yeah, pumping. So it's like Posco. Paint marker. Nothing coming out. Still nothing coming out. Nope. Nope. It's dry. Maybe I have like Cinet or something, like seal here. Let's try it out. I'm really worried because I can see there's spring inside, and every time there's spring inside, it means there may be something flying. No, there's no seal. So yeah, go back. So maybe I just need to do more that. Slowly. No, nothing is coming out. No. Work. Oh, yeah. Yep. It's coming out. Yep. It's working. One thing I really don't like on Tiger kits, they don't have that good instructions. Like this one just tell like apply glue and then apply carefully the foil and then. And sorry, my camera just like died. It didn't want to, it like doesn't want to start up anymore, so I don't know what happened to it. So hopefully it's not broken or anything. But yeah, I just got the pen working, and I forget completely what I was talking, but I'm now going bravely here. As the instruction said that let the glue dry 5 minutes. I can see this like spread out some watercolor. And this is really easy to use. It's like flows well, I hope. But I would appreciate that the instructor would tell like how to operate this pen, because there was no mention that it's like pump pen or that you need to press down. But that often happens with the Tiger kits. They don't have like proper instructions. And then it says like wait 5 minutes. So the glue has been now drying around 5 minutes. So I'm showing how this works out. I have my fears because it wasn't feeling sticky at all. And I have a real like gilding glue, and it's really sticky at this point. So I'm rubbing this really gently here. And then it should be like dropping off. Okay. Not what I hoped this would be, but and instruction said like rub gently, but I have to say this isn't gently at all. It's going to be really hard. Rub. Yeah, it's not like the real gilding that have like smooth surface, because I think glue is not sticky enough and it leaves this like really patched behind. That was like expected. And I'm using like my nail to rub this, because finger, nope, it's not enough. It needs to be really hard to drop it to like transfer the sheet. No, that's pink, don't come here. And there you can see it's not even sticking there. I will try, but well, maybe. This is definitely not feeling like gilding foil, because gilding, like the real gilding foil, works a bit differently. It's like flakes off the excess, and here it's just like has this sheet over it, so it's just more like transfer sheet foil. Disappointed, it doesn't look so coherent as I was hoping. Yeah, it like rubs off really easily. Yeah, it's not what I was hoping. Because it's like really patchy. I'm sure. Yeah, it's not even feeling sticky. Actually reminds me of like really old those glitter pens you have, which I had like on the child. It's not like, yeah, the glue is not like sticky enough even. It's sometimes dry. If I let it dry 5 minutes, it will go like completely dry and another sticky stuff on my desk. So yeah, Tiger Dew foil, definitely not worth it. If somebody thinks that I can't use this, well, I can read you the really like instructions. It says write or draw using the supplied pen and let the glue dry for about 5 minutes. Place the sheet of foil over the glue and press carefully. Remove the foil. Yep. Definitely not working. And I think it's glue, partly because glue is not strong enough. And also I think it's partly because this foil, because foil is not like transferring well enough. Because it's not the real, like the really thin stuff, it's more thicker, like crafty stuff. So maybe this, I don't know where this would work. If you like this kind of beaten up look, then maybe, but not like what I'd look for gilding, definitely. So this was a bit of a disappointment. I was expecting this because I knew it's like, it's not good. The gilding pen was interesting because it has like same kind of tip than in like markers. But the interesting tip isn't like helping anything if it's not working properly. So yeah, I tried this and this was results. And I don't like the results, so yeah, don't buy this.